Today, we will explore a different way to build standard operating procedures. Not by writing documents first, but by shaping decisions through structured conversations. This methodology is called DocuCraft. Using an electric vehicle marketing SOP as a case study, we will walk through how an SOP is formed step by step from simple confirmations and clear choices to a fully operational, audit-ready document. DocuCraft is not about writing faster. It is about making decisions explicit, aligned, and traceable so the final SOP is not only well written, but truly usable in real operations. This simulation shows how DocuCraft starts building an SOP not by writing, but by locking context first. The user states an intention to create an SOP, for example an electric vehicle marketing SOP. DocuCraft does not generate content immediately. Instead, it asks a clear confirmation question about the document language and context. The user's short answer instantly locks the language and communication context. This small decision has a major impact, because every step that follows will be based on this confirmed context. This is the first core principle of DocuCraft: eliminate assumptions early, so misalignment does not appear later in the process. In the next stage, DocuCraft treats document structure as an explicit working contract, not as a draft outline. After the user confirms the intention to proceed, DocuCraft proposes a complete SOP structure, covering all major chapters. Before any writing begins, this structure must be reviewed and approved. Once the structure is confirmed, it is locked. This means no chapter is written outside the agreed scope. If changes are required, they must be explicitly reconfirmed. By locking the structure early, DocuCraft ensures alignment, prevents scope drift, and creates a shared understanding of the document roadmap. Once the document structure is locked, DocuCraft moves into per-chapter authoring. Instead of writing the entire SOP at once, each chapter is created in its own dedicated canvas. The user requests a specific chapter, and DocuCraft focuses only on that section. After the chapter is written, the user is asked to review and confirm it before moving on. If revisions are needed, they are applied only to that chapter, without affecting other parts of the document. This canvas-first approach makes iteration focused, safe, and controlled, allowing each chapter to evolve independently while staying aligned with the overall structure. At this stage, DocuCraft focuses on strengthening operational decisions rather than adjusting wording. The user expresses the need for the SOP to be truly operational. In response, DocuCraft presents focused prompts that highlight critical decision areas, such as service-level agreements, communication standards, operational procedures, and expected outputs. When the user selects specific options, DocuCraft amplifies those decisions by making operational details explicit and measurable. This approach ensures that the SOP improves through clear decisions, not vague revisions, resulting in procedures that are practical and ready for real-world use. In this stage, DocuCraft ensures that the SOP does not remain a purely normative document. The user requests that the SOP be practical and usable in daily operations. DocuCraft responds by offering concrete implementation artifacts, such as process flowcharts, operational checklists, working forms, and KPI reporting templates. Each artifact is created as a separate document, reviewed independently, and locked before being merged into the final SOP package. By treating appendices with the same discipline as the main content, DocuCraft transforms policies into real operational tools that teams can actually use. To conclude the methodology simulation, it is important to recognize the repeating pattern behind DocuCraft. Every stage follows the same cycle: an explicit prompt, a user decision, an artifact created from that decision, and a lock before moving forward. This pattern makes the process deterministic and repeatable. There are no hidden assumptions, no implicit changes, and every decision can be traced back to its origin. By turning conversations into controlled decisions, DocuCraft goes beyond document writing. It creates a transparent, auditable system for building SOPs and operational knowledge at scale.